Are you ready to explore the 44 magical sounds in English language? These sounds are called phonemes. Can you say it with me? Phonemes. Phonemes are the smallest sounds we hear in words. And guess what? There are 44 of them in total. Let's break them into 3 groups. The first one is the consonant sound. Say it. Consonant sounds. The second one, the vowel sounds. Say it again. Vowel sounds. And for the last one, the third one is the R-controlled vowels. Say it. R-controlled vowels. So, let's start with the consonant phonemes. B as in ball. D as in dog. As in fish. G as in goat. As in hat. Ch as in jump. K as in kite. L as in lion. M as in moon. N as in net. N as in sing. P as in pig. R as in run. S as in sun. Z as in treasure. T as in tiger. V as in van. W as in watch. Y as in yo-yo. Z as in zip. Ch as in child. Sh as in shoes. As in mother. V as in third. Great job! You sounded amazing! Now, let's talk about the vowel sounds. There are 15 vowel phonemes. These are made with open mouth and your voice is on. So, let's start. A as in apple. E as in egg. E as in igloo. O as in octopus. O as in umbrella. A as in rain. O as in pound. E as in tree. I as in light. O as in boat. U as in statue. U as in food. O as in book. Ow as in cow. Oy as in boy. Wow, you're doing great! Sometimes the letter R comes after a vowel and changes its sounds. These are called the R-controlled vowels. R as in jar. As in bird. Ear as in clear. Air as in chair. or as in pork. The R is really powerful, isn't it? We're doing great. You just earned the 44 amazing phonemes. Keep practicing the sounds every day. And soon, you'll be a phonics superstar. Thank you. Bye-bye.